The Orientation Guidebook can be found in the Catholic University app. You can download the Catholic University app in the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you open the Catholic University app, install Orientation 2019. The app has multiple features. Let's look at some of them. The Schedule tab contains the entire schedule of orientation. As well as separate schedules that just contain sessions relevant to different groups. You can add sessions from the Schedules section to My Schedule to build your customized schedule for orientation. You can access your schedule from the My Schedule tab. The app also contains a helpful campus map. You can customize the map by clicking on the menu button and selecting what types of buildings you want to appear on the map. Tapping the icon for a building will pull up information about it, as well as allow you to get directions from your location. You can also search for buildings on campus using the search feature. Just type in the name of the building, and you can select where you want to go from the menu. Going back to the map will have that building highlighted on the map. The Campus Resources tab contains information about the different offices on campus, as well as their hours during orientation. You can also access a list of nearby hotels and restaurants, as well as shopping resources nearby campus. If you're going into the city, you can access the helpful DC Metro map to help you find your way. There are lots of other resources within the app. We hope this video has helped you use this app to enhance your orientation experience, and we look forward to seeing you soon.